How to use Uber Cash to pay for rides. First of all, open the Uber application on your device. Once you open it, all you have to do is tap on your account option on this bottom navigation bar, which is located on the bottom right corner. From here, tap on this wallet option, then tap on this add payments method or simply tap on this cash option. If you find your balance 00, you should be able to find add cash option. However, this feature is not yet available in my region, but once you find it, simply tap on that, then type in your exact amount, then select your payment method such as your credit card, your bank details, and once you're done, you should be able to load your wallet or load the Uber Cash on your account. Once you load it, all you have to do is go back towards this home option from this navigation bar, tap on this where to option and proceed to book your ride. From there, you can choose option called use Uber Cash. Once you use it, the payment will be done automatically once the ride is completed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.